The question says we should find dy dx of what sine 2x. Alright, we're going to have our solution. And the formula we are going to use, it is called what? Chain what? Rule. We are going to use chain rule. And chain rule states that what? Dy all over the x is equals to what? Dy all over the u times du all over the what? The x. So here what we are going to do is we are going to say let what? Our y is equals to what? Sine u. We say this function given to us to be equals to sine u, and we are going to say this our u should be equals to what? These two s in the front. So we need to find the y, the u, and we need to find the u, the x. So what is the derivative of what? The y, the u, the y, the u. Now when we are differentiating sine u, what we are going to get is what? Cos u. Then we come to this side. What is the derivative of du all over the x? Du dx. Here now we have 1 here. We are going to say 1 times 2 will give us what? 2. Then 1 minus 1 will give us what? 0. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. 2 times 1 is 1. So the derivative of 2x is equals to what? Ordinary 2. Now here now we have our what? Our dy du. And here we have our what? Du ds. Dy du is already here, and the u ds is already here. So all we need to do is what? Dy all over the x now is equals to, what is our dy du is cos u. We are going to cos what? U times, what is our the u ds is 2. Alright, but what is u? We say u is equals to what? 2x. So that means finally our dy all over the x now is equals to 2 times cos u equals to what? 2 cos. What is u? U is 2x. We now have 2x. So the derivative of what? Sine 2x is what? 2 cos 2x.